Okay guys, in this class we're going to be solving this indices equation. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, you need to do that because a lot of questions of this nature has been uploaded to help WAEC, JAM, NECO, GC, even Pursuit TME in the forthcoming examinations. So you can do well to subscribe and refer to your friends. Okay, so to do this one, you need to find a common factor or a common function that you can express your variable as. What am I saying? That you need to get what is common. I have 3 into the bracket of 2 raised to power 2x plus 3, and I'm also having the same thing that looks like it here. So what we want to do is to bring it out by using the knowledge of your indices. So this can be written as 2x, right, times 2 raised to power 3. It's same as writing that one, because we know that a raised to power m times a raised to power n is equals to what? am plus n. So let's assume this n is this 3 here, and let's assume this m is this 2x you grab, and this 2 is this a. So that's what I just did here. Okay, so minus 5, I'll apply the same thing here. That's 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power 2. Alright, so minus 156 equals 0. Now I can still go further to say that 3 into, this is the same as writing 2x onto the bracket of 2. Don't forget the law of indices that state that a raised to power n is just by writing amn. Just multiply the power together. So that's what I just applied here. Very simple. Then I still maintain my 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Okay, minus 5 into 2 raised to power x times 4. So this is what I actually want to achieve. I already have 2 raised to power x common on this side, so I want to bring it out to condense my question by saying that let's 2 raised to power x, let it be p, for example. So I'll be having 3 into p squared, right, times 8 minus 5 into p times 4, then minus 156. Okay, good. So let's clear up this side so we can have a clear board. In that case, 8 times 3 is 24 p squared. I multiply this 3 and this 8 together, so minus 5 times 4, that's 20p. Then I have minus 156 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we want to solve. Then how do we do this one? We're going to apply the knowledge of our formula method, because if I should start thinking the factors, that may waste a lot of time. So we know that p will be equals to minus, let's say this is our a, this is our a, this is our b, and this is our c. And don't forget we have x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? So that's what we want to use here. So my b here is actually 20, so I have minus 20 plus or minus to find the square root of, now my b squared here is still minus 20 squared, okay, minus 4 times my a is what, 24, then times minus 156. Extend this one over 2 times 24. So we'll still be needing to record this, so let's put it aside at one side. Let's put it somewhere here, and let's cancel out this one. Okay, so now here we can have p is equals to 20 plus or minus 20 squared is 400. Okay, now this minus here and this minus here, we will have plus here. So 4 times 24 times 156 will amount to 14, because of the calculator, 14976, okay, over 2 times 24, that's 48. and this should give us 20 plus or minus the square root of 1515376 over 48. Okay, so to find the square root of that quickly, so the square root of this one is 1 to 4. If I find the square root of 1576 is 1 to 4, so I'll have 20 plus or minus. I have 20, the plus or minus of what? 124 over 48, and this will be 20 plus 124 over 48, or would have 20 minus 124 over 48. Okay, then this is 144 over 48, and this is minus 104 over 48. All right, so in that case I would still have to simplify further. So 144 divided by 48 is actually 3, so P is equals to 3. Then the other one would have minus 2.167. Now this is not our final answer. Please, you need to be very careful, because in an examination they can just write 3 there as the answer. Don't forget that we have called P to be what? 2 raised to power x. So recall that 2 raised to power x is P. So to now get my final answer, I would indeed have, instead of writing P now, I have 2 raised to power x is equals to 3, and I have 2 raised to power x is equals to minus 2.167. So I will consider just the real part of this equation. This is the real part of the equation. I will consider just this part. So to get my x, I will lean both sides. I will introduce lean to both sides. Right, so I will lean there, 2 raised to power x is equals to the lean of 3. You can always introduce lean when you are solving some mathematics. So for that, x will drop, this x here will drop to this other end. So I would have x to the lane of 2 is equals to the lane of 3. So you can divide both sides by lane 2. Then your x will be equal to lane 3 over lane 2. And this can be written as what? The logarithm of 3 to the base of 2. So this is what you want to get, and this would be your final answer for the value of x. I hope you understand. Give your review in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos of this nature.